In front of me is REALME GT Neo 5, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Connection and Sharing right away. Now scroll down a tiny bit to click Print. Tap on the Footprint service or any other service you have and wish to use. And activate it thanks to this switcher at the top right corner. Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. If you still can't connect for some reason, tap on this plus at the top right corner. Click on Search by IP address, input it here and select Add. You can also choose Search for Wi-Fi Direct printers if your printer supports this feature. Tap on Allow in the pop-up and wait for your smartphone to find it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!